Right guys, I've got something absolutely fantastic to show you today. You're going to absolutely love this training. In fact, it's more than training, it's a whole marketing system. It's been developed in such a way that you can earn while you're actually learning to put things into practice. Now, the guy behind this is called Shay Corte. Now, I know Shay from years ago. He actually got me into CPA marketing. Okay, and I transitioned from CPA marketing over from when I was selling solo ads. In fact, I've got a review I did years ago on his sales page here. Some feedback. Here we are. I don't know if you can see that, but this is one of my first CPA campaigns, and it's through some other training that Shay did. And I generated $120 just from less than 200 clicks, which was pretty damn good for my first campaign. And it went on into bigger things. Okay, so he's a real good teacher. He knows what he's doing, and this training is absolutely fantastic. Now, it is a marketing system, but you only need one thing, and that is an autoresponder. Okay, if you've got an autoresponder, you're good to go. And I think most of you watching this should have one. If you're not building your list, you should be. So when you log in, you want to be getting started here and follow the 5 steps. Now, these 5 steps are geared to get you earning money quickly. Okay, they're very simple steps to follow. All the autoresponders are ready. You just basically upload them to your Airweb or GetResponse account. They show you how to do that. There are these special codes that you just basically press a button and it all uploads for you. And just follow the system. Now, this is system to get you making money quickly. Okay, this is not the entire system. This is just the starter to get you making money while you go through the rest of the training. Okay, so start here, and then you've got start promoting. We've got free traffic methods, and they've got paid traffic methods. Okay, and then we go into the main training. We've got basic training, different modules, and we've got advanced training. Now, not all these modules open up at once. They open up either twice a week or once a week. So you don't get overwhelmed, and they go over different traffic sources you'll never even heard of. And one of the sources that they're actually getting paid per click. They go over the campaigns in here. More landing pages, more email swipes, and this is the cost per click affiliate networks. Okay, I didn't even know these existed, and they're paying up to $8 a click. In some instances, Shay's had $16 a click. Okay, that's massive. Even if you get paid $1 a click, if you send an email to your list, how many clicks do you get for a day on your emails to your other products? And then you might not get paid out, and people might not buy. But if you're getting paid per click, it doesn't matter if they buy or not. You're getting paid per click, so it's very it's quite an eye opener. Okay, so you've got all the landing pages, email swipes. Again, not these open up on a weekly basis. Okay, lots of extras, campaigns, weekly campaigns. Okay, I'm just going to those. Okay, these are the weekly campaigns. You can copy, and that's it. Doesn't end there. Now, this is what is going to appeal to a lot of you guys, is Marketer Pro. Now, this comes with it. Now this is a marketing system. All right, you will be able to upload your leads and into this and add them to different autoresponders. Okay, at the moment the autoresponders they support are Aweber, GetResponse, and Market Hero. So if you've got leads in your GetResponse account and you want to put them in a Aweber account, which currently at the moment I want to, because my GetResponse opens and has gone right down lately. So I'm going to be moving a big chunk of my leads to Aweber, and I will use this for it. I've got one lead that was a test lead. I've just tested it, make sure it worked, and it did. It was like easy. It was like instant. So this is very powerful, and this ties in with the training as well. They're adding things to this. There's a lot more to it than just moving leads from Aweber into GetResponse or whatever you want to do. This is a whole marketing system which they go over in the training. So start here and get your campaign running, start making some money, and then go through the rest of the training. Okay, and honestly you will not be disappointed with this. It's done a fantastic job on this. They're adding to it. It's also you can submit questions, and they'll do a video to answer those questions. There's a Facebook group to help you ask questions and support, etc. Guys, just jump on it. It's done a special deal. You can get started for $1. Okay, so there's no excuses. I'm looking forward to the feedback from this. Good luck with your campaigns.